Yummy, no bake Oreo cheesecake? Well, this is a must try. And Happy New Year's to each and every one of you guys. Thanks for all the support in 2024. Well, for 2025, there is a lot more to come. So do stick around and let's continue this journey. The ingredients will be needed are Oreo cookies, cream cheese, powdered sugar, Cool Whip vanilla, and melted butter. And this is a self-explanatory video as I'm under the weather. So continue watching guys and drop me a comment at the end, like the video, share it, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so before you end this video. So catch you in another upload guys. Continue watching. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now, and do enjoy the beginning of 2025. Please stay safe while doing it. Happy New Year, and may this year fill with all that we endeavors in life, and I'll catch you in another upload. Bye.